This is what you have to do. You get, whether it is the papered stock or if it's just generic stock, you get you a cow and a bull, and you go to having babies, and you raise them, you take care of them, you feed them, and you grow. I don't have no. Jody again. It's upside down.
Shit.
It is very, very important. I can't stress this over and over to everyone. You have to love what you do. You have to love your animals. You have to take care of them, from breeding them, to working them, to showing them, to taking them to the packing house. You know. You just gotta be smart, and you gotta love what you do, and just take care of them. You just have to take care of your animals. You take care of your land, your animals, and life is good.